What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Help Coin, your place to get your crypto fix. I'm Ripple Van Winkle, and I'm your boss. I hope everyone is having a great Sunday, December 15th, which means it's a bit of a football Sunday and a bit of a Myth Soccer playoffs day. People are getting ready for the week ahead and for Christmas holiday because the year's almost over. Today, we are going to talk about Ripple stablecoin. Well, Ripple just came out with news about the solid coin. We're going to answer Rocky XRP. We're going to do everything. We are going to tell you what we think is going to happen. So sit down, come back, relax, and let yourself bounce into it. Bitcoin 102574 is up 1.39% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is now worth $3,889. Right now, USDT and USDC are both up 0.62%, and XRP is worth 99 cents. At a medium lean $2,040, it's still holding the line. At the moment, its value has gone up by 0.67%, bringing its overall market value to $3,666 million. The next target is $4,700 million, and so on. Let's see how high we can go. The Chad put this out on CNBC. They're saying that XRP dropped against the US dollar today, which was yesterday, Saturday, December 14th. Get smarter. When we looked into crypto, even last year, BlackRock or any of those other big institutional players never said a word about it. They told you that crypto is a very risky game that you shouldn't be in. They will now start to look anywhere from 5% to 10%. People are starting to get the word out that everyone should have money set aside for crypto. That's what they do. They are telling everyone that the water is safe. They say, hey, we tried it. This is what we think this is what we all agree on. We think that on their list of things you should start moving your money out of, they mean that you shouldn't put all of your money into the stock market, but instead you should put some into crypto. We get it now. We are about to make XRP the world's best digital product. Rules are always important to us. The government will send a huge amount of us dollars into the cryptocurrency space, and the USD is the pass your father launchpad. In this case, you can see that there is a net increase coming in. You can see how much XRP costs. At the moment, it's at 240. This is good news for bulls. We still have a long way to go. Anyone press like, are you ready for the rise in XRP? That's right. The way they look can't stop it. There is no if, then, or but. It looks like XRP is about to move on every other steep pass. Everything in the crypto space is about to go through another full ballistic curve. It's still early. We are in the very beginning stages of this bull run. The year 2025 has been on our mind since the start of the bull cycle. And just in case you're new to crypto, best of luck. Somewhat envious since I've been here since 2017 and have been waiting for this moment. Since it's 2025 and we're only 2 weeks away from New York, 1 week, it's really just awesome, right? You'll like what we're about to see in terms of the amount of institutional money and ETFs that will finally cover crypto in the US. The first crypto president will start working on January 20th. It will be about a month before this delivery happens. Kids, this is what we need. This is what we dreamed of all the time. When we first started working with crypto, we always said, look, we know there's a chance that this crypto element can go to zero. It had no chance of taking off. It might not do anything and we'll lose everything we put into it. But while we looked at the upside, we told ourselves that if we were right and big companies did start investing in crypto, we would have been in before they did, which we had pretty much been in before institutions told us we were going to make a ton of money, and we were right. At this point, there is no chance that crypto will go down to zero. There's just a chance of harm. There may only be a better chance that we can get more people to use it, more rules to follow, more money from institutions, and more ETFs to move forward. What's up, Dan? He says that we believe crypto will go up every time there is a big move. Pay attention. Yes, Bitcoin is almost going to touch a bit more than twice this year, which is kind of funny when you think about it. So people who talk about aren't always that crazy. It doubled on the first hit. That has been done for 11 years in a row. Okay, so crypto going up twice as much is not a huge deal. Of course, we usually hold on to our long positions because we think the markets will go up. You know, some other very large number, probably another order of magnitude. Because of this, we're usually long. We're always just looking for other tokens that look interesting. We have a huge stake in the Ton Telegrams token Solana Ondo. Those are our numbers. Yes, that's the funny part about crypto. So Pantera Capital says they think there will be another huge change in crypto. They got Solana, Anno, and Tan, he says. What have I been telling you over and over on this channel? It is best to put your money where the institutions are buying and gathering things. You also want to get in before they do. That's the important thing here. You need to beat them. RLUSD wallet information has been made public. This is straight from Ripple's website. Trust, Ledger, Trezor, MetaMask, Coinbase, Ethereum, Enterprise Wallets, Fireblocks, Big O, and Ripple Safekeeping are some of the cryptocurrencies that can be held. It's exciting that Coinbase is adding RLUSD to the Ethereum chain. On the other hand, Gem, Trust, Ledger, and Trezor all use either XRP or Ethereum. RLUSD is going to get a lot of people to accept it. It's pretty easy. We've talked about the similarities when you want to move money between exchanges and see how much it costs and how much fuel it takes to move USDT. You can see how backed up Ethereum is, how long it will take to move, and how much it will cost. Or if you could switch to RLUSD, which will be set up the same way on all of these swaps, you might be able to move your money through LUSD. Get it there in a matter of seconds and for a small reason. Here are the BlackRock XRP ETFs. Here's what's going on, therefore let's talk about it. We could see from BlackRock, it said that they might be making a fake file in Delaware about an ETF. To begin, let us look at Delaware, its filings, and what you need. It says that you need to fill out a uniform application or register stocks. You have to prove who you are when you buy a whole piece of software or register stocks. You need to sign a paper so that you need to sign it. Obviously, when you sign a file, you need identification because you want to make sure that the name on your ID matches the name on the file. To pay the price, you need to get the report. The person who filed this ETF for BlackRock in Delaware can see that it hasn't led to anything. It looks like they swept it under the rug for good. They want to rule the country. They have no idea who did it. That is not true at all because you want to signal files, you need to show IDs, and you want to go talk to that person. BlackRock said no. That BlackRock is best off denying it for one easy reason, is what I've been thinking and saying for a while now. What's that simple reason? They were just a little too early and they pulled the gun too soon. They are going to start an XRP ETF. That's what Brad Gonehouse has said about it. I think we can say not to talk about it because he's like, look, we know what BlackRock said, but I can't say anything about this example. Brad could have come out and said, hey, White Rock isn't making an extra PTF. You understand that he doesn't deny or say that he doesn't know? If you know what to do, the answer is no. As the CEO of a company, why try to get people to do what you want? Like how they look. This is not true. This is real. Because Brad's stats show that even though some things aren't true, he has come out and been like appearance. That's the whole point. This doesn't seem real. The bad news is that it will no longer show up. But if we look at what BlackRock does and the fact that they are already in the ETF game, do you really think that BlackRock will stop at a Bitcoin ETF or an Ethereum ETF when other companies are moving on to, say, an XRP ETF? You really think they're going to lose money, right? If you think about it, when we look at all of these other companies out there and rank BlackRock, which will be the biggest company added in the most trusted industry, people are trying to get into crypto and want to buy one of the ETFs, but they don't know who Bitwise, 21 Stocks, or Canary are, but BlackRock is there. I got it. BlackRock, where is that money going to go right away? It is going to go into the ETF that was made. And that was made possible by BlackRock. What BlackRock wants to do is make money. They're not here to lose money. If they could make money with an XRP ETF, they would. ETFs will be accepted at a record rate in 2025 when Trump takes office and the new crypto leader starts working. This is when policies and rules are finally put in place. Also, XRP will be the first one through the door, along with Solana, in order to get approval and have a crap ton of money pumped into it. $10,000.